Hello, everyone. It has been a long time since I've been on here. Um, COVID has been, um, yeah, I was fortunate enough not to get it, and I hope everyone is safe and they weren't affected too hard or too much by COVID. But let me get into what I'm here for today. So I've been looking at ColourPop for a long time, and I decided to finally buy some. So I finally got my package. I bought it for a trip that I took, and I really wanted the color. So this is the box that it came in. And inside of the box, oh, that's cute. Let me show you this. Inside of the box, we have the ColourPop, and that's what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna repurpose this box because it's a little neat. So what I ordered was the lippy pencil, and I don't even remember. Honestly, it took a while for this to come in. I really don't even remember what color. I guess this is like a chocolate color that I got. Um, it's called Stay on Point, Just Sharpen Me CTRL 21F1. So that's what that came in. I also ordered the shimmering body powder. And I ordered the BFF cream gel liner kit. I could not find anywhere how this looks on dark skin. So it comes with a few pastel colors. So I wanted to try those out on my skin. And last but not least, I ordered the Fade into Hue. Yay! So that's everything in my box. Also came with my order slip. So let's set that aside and let us open this up. So the Fade into Hue, took it out of the box. Oh, those, my friend, are some beautiful summer colors. Look at that. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to try this eyeliner. And I don't have anything on right now. So I'm going to turn you back this way. And we're going to see how this eyeliner looks on my complexion. So we have Exit, Extra Frosting, Peach Fuzz, Icebreaker, Big Splash, and Amethyst Hour. So let's start in order of how they came out. This one is Extra Frosting. So let's see how that goes on and how it looks. Wow, nice and smooth. Okay. That's the extra frosting. This is Peach Fuzz. I don't have a mirror, so I'm just using the camera right here. I'm going to put Peach Fuzz right on top of that. Okay, that's your Peach Fuzz. It's pretty. I like this. Oh, it broke already though, so be very careful with these. I'm going to try to push it down in there. So that's Exit and Peach Fuzz. Let's do one more on that eye. We have Icebreaker. It sounded like it was already broken, but it's not. I'm gonna take Icebreaker here. Can you see? Oh, icebreaker is very pretty. Ooh, I like that. Please don't pay attention to the mess I'm making. This is not a tutorial of makeup. This is solely to see how these look on my complexion or those of similar complexion. Okay, so next, this one is similar to the one I just did, but it's more of a blue. We're going to do Big Splash. And we'll start Big Splash on this eye. Oh, I broke it too. Okay, so do not put these up like at all. They break extremely easily. So I kind of just push them back in there. So I hate to waste stuff. I really do. So I'm going to push that back in there. Already made a mess. And there it goes. It didn't work. So they go on really well, but they break extremely easily. So here's your Big Splash. Very pretty blue. I like that. And this is your Exit, I believe. Yes, this is Exit, which is a white. Oh, I almost did it again. Remember, don't roll it up too much. Okay, this is just a basic white eyeliner. So that's your Exit. And then this one is the Amethyst Hour. I have to put that up just a tiny bit. So you see, I've only put it up that much. So if it breaks off, that is probably going to be an issue. And that's your Amethyst. Very pretty. You could do some really pretty things with just these without even adding eyeshadow to them. These are really pretty. I am happy with my purchase. And again, it is called the Fresh Out by ColourPop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the fade into hue in a separate video because I have to go get my primer and everything and tune in to that video so that I can see how they look on me and my complexion because I didn't really see very many swatches of this. So tune in, please subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. These are the colors again. I really like them. I have never tried anything like this. I stick to black and dark blue, but these are so pretty. Just be careful if you order them. Know not to twist them up too much because they will break. So, and here are the colors that they are as well. I don't know if you can see it, but the colors are Exit, Extra Frosting, Peach Fuzz, Icebreaker, Big Splash, and Amethyst Hour. Please subscribe. See you in a few minutes in a separate video, and we're going to do the fade into hue. Thanks for watching.